Hi everybody and welcome to ISA's Product Spotlight. This is Nick Dumeier back here in our repair lab. Today we're going to talk about a Siemens module, the TRI-R. What I've got here in my hand is actually an ISA certified Siemens Pyrotronics TRI-R. Now this is a single input module with a relay. It's a little bit different than the TRI-S. Now if you're replacing one of these, you want to make sure that you actually have the DPU handy. This is what sets the address on any device. So if you don't have that, don't worry. We can either help you out and actually get you one of these if you're using it quite often, or we can set the address for you before actually shipping out the part. So again, we both carry new and ISA certified reconditioned parts of these TRI-Rs, which is again a single input module with relay. When you're replacing one, call your account manager, let us know how we can help. This is Nick Dumeier, and we will talk to you again soon.